Hello everybody, welcome back. I am Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. If you watch my videos regularly, then you probably know that I am giving my son's room a makeover. And since he is a bibliophile, he just loves to read books. He has a huge collection of books and right now all his books are scattered everywhere in our home. So I decided to DIY a bookshelf. And since my childhood, I had this dream that there should be a place which is quiet and there should be a tree of knowledge and you just sit there and forget about everything else and just keep on reading books. So that dream is coming true now because I have decided to DIY a tree bookshelf, and this room is quite small. I really like this kind of tree bookshelf, but this type of tree bookshelf will make this room look cluttered and also it will take up a lot of space here. So what I have decided is I'm gonna paint the tree here, and on branches I'm gonna install shelves, and those shelves I'm gonna make myself. So let's start. So first I started with drawing the trunk of the tree. And then I mark the points where I'll make branches, and using a long casing that I already had and level up on my mobile phone, I drew the lines so that branches on both the ends are equidistant and at same height. After that, I drew the branches and tree trunk gradually became tapered at the top. Then I added few more details. And that's how it looks. So I have this African desert leftover paint, and to it I mixed few drops of black acrylic color, and now I am mixing few drops of red color to make perfect brown color. Forgot to tell you that today's video is sponsored by Miles, and since I love using power tools, Miles sent me this 3-in-1 tacker. So I am super excited, and I'm gonna use this in today's video, and I'm gonna show you how to use this. And using this tool I'm making a wall shelf, and soon in some other video I'm gonna share how to use drill machine, because I have been receiving a lot of requests on to make a video on how to use drill machine. Now let's get back to work. Done. Alright, so I've got these plywood pieces cut in desired dimensions. So there would be total of 4 shelves. So I have got these 4 plywood pieces. I'm going to add the details about dimension in the description box as well as somewhere here on the screen, and total of 8 square pieces that I'm going to add on the both ends of the shelf like this. And then I've got these triangular pieces. These are also 8 in numbers. So these I'm going to add like this so that I can install each shelf on the wall. So that's about it. Now I'm going to show you how to make this wall shelf. So this is a 3-in-1 tacker, which is a product of Miles. It can work as a staple gun, brad tacker and nail tacker. So first we'll unlock it. Just push this handle and it unlocks. And to lock it, just press this and pull it. It's locked. And to load it, just press this magazine and pull it out. And here you can load staple pins or brads or nails. So I'm using Miles staple pins. And this is how you load it. And then close the magazine and you are ready to use it. So on this piece of wood, I'm showing you how to use it. This is the knob from where you can increase or decrease the stapling depth. So first I'm decreasing it, and let me show you how to use it. You just press this handle and here it goes. Now I'm increasing the stapling depth, and you can see the difference. Now I'll load brads. These are brads. So you have to slide it like this. And then slowly close the magazine and you are ready to use it. So now I'm starting my work of making the shelves. So first I'm using this wood glue here, which is Fevicol MR, and after applying this glue I'm using nails to fix this piece of wood. And similarly I'll fix this piece also. And to make this joint even stronger, I'm using this tacker. After the shelf was ready, I applied this ready-made putty, which is perfect for wood, to fill all the gaps and cracks and to make it smooth. In the joints like this, I applied putty using my finger. After the putty was dried, I sanded all the shelves using 100 grit sandpaper. And after that, I wiped off all the dust. Then I stained the wood using oil paint, which was brown in color, and then I let it dry. So the shelf is dried. I didn't paint this one because this part will be fixed on the wall, so I'll paint it white. So first I'll drill the hole here so that I can install it on the wall. This is where I'll put the screw. Here I'm placing the shelf right above the branch, and using level up I'm checking the level so that the shelf is straight. Green 0 means the level is just perfect, and using a metal tool I'm marking where I have to drill the holes. First I'll put wall plug and after that screw. And here it goes. Now the footage you are going to see is entirely planned and executed by Laksh, and styling of course is done by me. So I really hope that you find this video useful, and tell me in the comments below how do you like this tree bookshelf, and if in case you make this tree bookshelf with your little one, then don't forget to share the image with me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID and this is my Facebook ID. And this tree bookshelf is part of my son's room makeover, so stay tuned for that video because it's coming out really soon. And till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.